Strip of sort of a bluish grey colour will attack the goal to the right hand side of your screen. We're underway then for the start of Ngokazi. Unbelievable ball at left hand side. Is already paying dividends for Orlando Pirates. Ronaldo Lina knocks it over to Pirates left hand side, and an opportunity for a shot on goal. But you've got to test the keeper from that situation.
Have to test the keeper. Sivilevele force him into making a save. But what has been impressive about Orlando Pirates in these early stages is just the mobility.
Nice little flick on from Brighton Clovo, and there's pressure on the goal of Orlando Pirates. And Magella not able to get the vital touch on it in front of Chain.
It's important to make sure that you keep concentrated, especially on these.
Comes in, what difference he makes as far as his decision making is concerned. Maswangani, chance across the penalty area, somehow cleared by Sekhukhune United. Good intervention there as well, off the line from Ndlovu, but Leboni Siema had stayed forward and kind of forced the issue for Orlando Pirates, and Lina's taken a knock. Defending as he gets pushed wide by the defence of Sekhukhune United. Finally, somebody has to take a shot. That's wide from Makaula on an attacking point of view from Sekhukhune United, and that will be trouble for Ellis Ramala. Nice little tap back looking for Grobler. Was he caught from behind?
A missed opportunity for Maswangani, I guess, on the turnover to really try and capitalize, but this very well defended from Makaula. But Bradley Grobler just thought he could get there first and pinch the ball. But first touch certainly falls on Makaula.
Muremi again with Ndaba making a move towards the penalty area. Space for Evanis Makhopa. What a beautiful piece of defending by Vuyule Klapa. Needed just a little tickle. It got a tickle from the former Cosmos man. That's beautiful.
Yeah, excellent.
But we're starting to find a little bit more consolidation in these box entries now. What can they achieve from this? Oh, great save from Lina. How did he even get near that?
Certainly the pressure's mounting. Critical phase of the game. The concentration needs to be up there. Sibisi of all people with the tap in. But look at the reflex save from the goalkeeper.